Welcome back. Regardless of how you decide to create your audio, even if you decide to import in an audio from one that you've either purchased or that you're going to use, the next step is going to be to remove any background noise that you can. And assuming that you've already listened to the recording in real time, what you're going to need to do is to find a space in the audio where the background noise is occurring, but yet there is no audio that you're going to want to keep in the recording. And we can assume that that audio is going to be at this point. As you can see there is silence. Now, one of the ways that we can look at this differently is we can stretch out this audio. We're going to be able to do that by going to use the zoom tool. We're going to click on the inside and we're going to stretch it out. Now, you'll notice that we have removed our cursor. We're going to use the time shift tool to bring it back so that we can then see the spot on our timeline. And so now what we can do is we can then work on this spot again, and we can stretch it out even more by clicking the zoom tool and then clicking inside of this spot. Then we're going to use the time shift tool to bring this to the middle. And what we can do is we can now create a noise profile, and we're going to do that by going to our cursor. We're going to highlight this entire piece. We're now going to go to the effect area. We're now going to go to noise reduction, and we're going to click get noise profile. Audacity is now going to begin to collect a noise profile here. What we're now going to do is we're going to highlight the entire audio in order to remove the noise based on the noise profile we've created. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom back out. So we're going to do that by right-clicking. In fact, what we can do is we can go to the view command and we can view the entire thing on our screen. So now what we're going to do is reduce the noise in the recording. And we're going to do that by taking the noise profile. We're going to highlight the entire recording. And we're now going to take our effect. We're now going to click noise reduction. And we're now going to click OK. And then Audacity is going to do a noise reduction analysis and fix on our file in real time. What we're going to do right now is we're going to stop the recording. We're going to allow Audacity to do this noise reduction, and then we're going to pick it up once Audacity is complete. So the noise reduction is now complete, and the entire time was about 1 minute and 28 seconds. We're going to close this timer out. And what we're going to do now is we're going to normalize the track. So we're going to highlight the entire track. We're going to go to the effect. We're then going to click normalize. We're going to leave this at -1 dB, and we're now going to click OK. And Audacity will run through our audio and then do an analysis and then normalize the track. And the total time is going to be about 14 seconds. And you'll notice then that the timeline changed slightly in terms of the overall volume. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.